Hi, this is Neil from Ellen James. Today's project is to find a leak under a kitchen floor. We fitted this kitchen only about 9 months ago, and subsequently a leak has occurred underneath the floor which we had nothing to do with. So what I've done is I've come and had a little look. We've lifted up the floor and we've identified that there's obviously a leak because this is the overply which we put over the floor, and we've lifted everything up, isolated it to as much as possible to reduce the damage in the work, and there is the leak, which has been leaking for quite considerable time. It could have even been leaking way before we actually started the kitchen, but nobody knew about it, and it just progressively got worse. The actual pipe split. You've got about, I'd say, a good inch of pipe which is split, and it's actually coming out in a fan pattern that you can actually see that bouncing off my finger. So there's definitely about an inch of water which is coming out of there, which is really quite severe. So the problem now is we're going to rectify it. Going to have to get a dehumidifier in, because as you can see, the whole of the underfloor, the subfloor, is absolutely saturated, and it's going to take a little while to dry out, and we have to dry it out before we put it all back together. So this is Neil from Ellen James, rectifying leaks under floorboards.